Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my latest project I'm working on. It is awesome oak burr with Vista Vuba resin infill in the channel, and then I've done resin in most of the burring, and then I've used my wood repair kit to sort of put some black wax in some of those areas which were missing. So, using my favourite finishing oil, the client on this project specified a satin finish, so I'm using some of my favourite stuff. You can watch me transform this top. As you can see, I haven't got much left in the jar, but I'm telling you, this jar will finish off this top. Because you don't need a lot of Odie's oil. Just gently with a scourer, rub it in, circle motions. You can the sanding I have gone to on this. I started off with 60 grit on the CNC. I've gone through 80, 120. 180, 240, then 800, then 1000, and then I finished on 1500 grit on this table. So this table is smoother than a baby's bum. You can probably see that from the video. And what I do, the live edge around the edges, I use the Odie's deep penetrating oil to do that. But I use the wax on the top. I'm probably going to give this table 2 coats, just because it's going to be here for a while whilst I now make the legs. I've got to manufacture the legs here myself. So I needed to finish the table top and bottom so I can obviously manufacture my own legs. So this is the fun part before the next stage. So this is just to show you how far really Odie's oil goes. And this is a jar I've had for quite a while. It's done quite a few projects. I'm due to do a big order soon. And you can just see how far it goes. Work it right in. It's starting to scream at me, this oak burr. It's starting to really show itself. And this client, I'm sure, is going to be over the moon with this finish. You will not get this anywhere else. Work it in. I know Odie's oil says it can sort of work on quite low grits, but I like to really polish my timber before I put this stuff on. So every tiny grain is filled with the Odie's wax. I mean, I could have done it at 240 and be done with it, and Odie's would have saved me on scratches and stuff. But I like to assist my finish with the best possible approach, so that the finish can really shine. I mean, do you think this is just being hand applied? And I hope you can see it, guys. This is Scottish oak burr. it spent its life in Scotland. It was then sourced by me, taken to Leicester, put in a kiln. It's been dried. I've then done what I wanted with this project with Vista resin. I'm now finishing it with Odie's oil, and now I've got to manufacture my own legs to suit it. And you know the score with this now. I've got to leave this an hour, come back and give it a buff. And I'm telling you now, that looked absolutely stunning. I don't very often blow my top. I try and be a modest person, but when you're onto something as good as this, I believe I've got a shout at the rooftops. I have never seen anything like this in my career. This oak fir is absolutely stunning, and the methods I've used to achieve this, I'll just grab the camera and I'll show you a bit of a close-up, are no different than any other methods I've done with Odie's. It's the same approach I've done on every single project, and the results are getting better and better because I believe I'm pushing the product to its maximum, and I'm getting the best out of it as a client, but also as a seller, a wholesaler. I'm so confident at selling this project, you know, this product to you guys for your use. You know, I think you can zoom in a bit more, get a bit of light on there. It's definitely winter now in the UK. Now, I'm not blowing my own top, but that is just Odie's oil. And look at the shine on that. I haven't even buffed it. I've got to wait an hour now. So tidy up at the workshop, cup of tea, last job of the day, buff it off, send pictures to the client, make sure they're happy. But also, I think this is red for YouTube. This is my YouTube coffee table. It's absolutely stunning. I can't believe I've made it, to be honest. It's come out a lot better than I thought. I got a quick question for you guys. Those are the Hawkeyes out there. I've set the same task for my client. Is can you guess which piece out of the 3 pieces of oak burr is natural and a piece that I've made? Answers on a postcard even. Can you guess what's handmade and what has been grown by Mother Nature? So there you go, guys. Another fantastic project coming to an end nearly. Process all the way through has been done the same as I've done on all my other videos, all my other Vista resin projects. Same approach. Mould. Once you've made the mould, then you sort of put it on the CNC, or if you've got your own sledge, you make your own sledge, and it's starting to really sort of shine for me now. This product. I'll just show you a finished one from last week. This is the new food safe from Vista resin. You can see it now. This is just food safe resin. It's absolutely stunning. It's really, really at the top competitive end for the UK. And there you go, guys. Back to my famous saying is the slower you go, the faster you go. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.
Designed and crafted by hundreds of years of natural growth. Stunningly beautiful, 100% unique. The natural wood table and desk collection at Western Timber has to be seen to be believed. If you're looking for that statement piece with the bespoke wow factor, then look no further. To view the collection, visit westerntimber.co.uk. Western Timber, Devonshire Road, Western Supermare, bringing out the beauty in the wood.